What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to do a little BoxyCharm unboxing. First, you probably already heard it. I'm babysitting my mom's cat. He has a little bell around his neck, so you're probably gonna hear a bell ringing all throughout this video. I'm so sorry, I hope it's not too annoying. Yeah, I love doing these BoxyCharm videos, so I'm doing the first one of 2018. I am super excited. For those of you who don't know what BoxyCharm is a box that you purchase monthly, and you pay 21 bucks a month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size products. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below if you like what you're seeing already. And with that being said, let's just jump into this unboxing. I swear, guys, this cat's a great cat. It's a really good cat, but that bell. And it's so funny, his name is Jose. My mom named her cat Jose. It's a little kitten too. It's so funny. All right, you guys know the drill. This is the box that it comes in, and at the top here, you get a card that tells you what the theme for the month is, and then what all of the products are, and what they retail for. And the theme for this month is Rock 2018. Okay, just so you guys know, I did use most of the products, so should be good there. I'll be able to give you guys a little mini review. And the first item in my box is the Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. This retails for $38, and it's supposed to blur pores, make you look a little more luminized. I do feel like my skin looked a little brighter after I put this on my skin, and it actually does get a little bit tacky at first, which is great because that's what holds on your foundation, I feel. So I'm digging it so far. I'm going to see how this wears for the rest of the time being. So if you guys don't have me on Snapchat, definitely add me there. That's kind of where I update you guys on what products are good or bad on the things that I couldn't really review in the video, if that makes sense, like masks or things like this that I have to use multiple times to get the feel for it. And yeah, so add me on Snapchat. It'll pop up somewhere around here, or it's probably already up. You know what, Jose? I got it. I got the freaking collar. So the next product that I put on my face today is the It Cosmetics Brow Powder. This says Universal Taupe is the shade. I really dig the packaging. It's like metal on the outside, and one side you get the pencil itself, or like kind of like a crayon, if you know what I mean, like the crayon types. And then the other side is a spoolie. And this actually retails for $24. So I feel like I need to use this a little longer as well to see if I like it. I feel like the color is a little light in my opinion. I like my eyebrows to be rather dark, and it wasn't too hard to use, so it doesn't really have a sharp tip so you can get precise hair-like strokes, but it does do the job. I mean, I have it on my brows right now. My brows could be a little better, so I think I just need to keep playing with it. The next product in this box I did not put on my face today. This is the Pure Cosmetics Bronze and Brighten palette. It's a very, very cute palette. I will say that. It has a pretty good size mirror, which I love that. Like, I think I'll travel with this just for the mirror. If you see the colors, they're really, really pretty colors. But I don't feel like I could use this for a bronzer because I don't really like shimmery, glittery bronzers, and this is kind of glittery. I like more of a matte bronzer. I was thinking that I could use this as an eyeshadow because, you guys, like, I'll swatch this for you right now. It is so pretty. And I feel like this shimmer shade here could probably work as a more subtle highlight, but I like a really blinding highlight, if you haven't noticed. But I'll probably use this on the days where I want a little more of a subtle highlight or more of a natural look. And this shade at the end here is also gorgeous. I think I'll try to use this for maybe an inner corner highlight when I want to do something colorful on the lid. This actually retails for $34. All right, and the next item that I got in my BoxyCharm box is this gorgeous eyeshadow palette. It's by Crown, and it's called the Glam Metals. Super cute packaging, by the way. Like, look at that. So fitting for the Rock 2018 theme for the month. But it does come with a mirror. It's super cute. I don't think it's very practical. I mean, it works. I did use this on my eyes today. I really, really like what I used. I didn't use all the colors, of course. I only used 2 in here. The color that I did decide to use is Rebel, and I have that on my lid right now. And I used the black metal because this is the only matte in here, and I feel like if you're gonna put one matte in, it better be good. And I used it and I like it. It's pretty black. I think it could be blacker. It's not patchy, which I was proud of. Good job, Crown. That does retail for $25. And the last item in my box is this matte lip paint by Girlactic, and it comes in this super cute little packaging. Like, I thought this was so pretty and so girly. Oh my god, you guys, look at this shade. Oh, it's so perfect. I do have it on my lips right now. Oh my god. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I can't wait to just keep wearing it. It does go full matte, but it's a comfortable matte. It doesn't feel super dry. And when I touch it, I get zero transfer. It's like completely transfer resistant. Obviously, I need to wear it a little longer to see how it wears throughout the day and if it gets flaky at all, but like I said, add me on Snapchat. I think this would be really flattering on a lot of skin tones. This actually retails for $23. The cat's like laying on the floor in front of me. Who wants a belly rub? Do you want a belly rub, Jose? All right, so that is it for my month of January 2018 BoxyCharm unboxing. I really enjoyed this box, actually. I'm like, they're kicking off this year perfect. They got a primer, an eyeshadow palette, a balm liquid lipstick, a brow product, a bronzing palette with a highlight in it. Like, I feel like they hit it out of the park with this box. So if you guys don't have BoxyCharm yet, I suggest you get it. I'll leave a link to their website down below if you'd like to check it out. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.